My name is Tom, and I am standing in a very large and busy airport. I am visiting a new country for the first time in my life today. I wear my blue t-shirt and a heavy backpack full of my clothes. Everything looks different here. The signs, the lights, and the sounds. I feel a little bit lost because I don't speak the local language. I see a young woman with a map waiting near the tourist desk. Her name is Elena, and she's a very friendly local guide. She wears a terracotta shirt and a beautiful scarf around her neck. Hello, welcome to our country. Are you Tom? She asks me. I am satisfied with her kind voice and her very warm smile. Logic tells me that having a guide is the best way to travel. Elena tells me that the city is very old and full of history. We walk out of the airport and see many yellow taxis. The air smells like the sea and fresh, exotic flowers today. My blue eyes are wide because everything is so new and bright. I am a proactive traveler, so I ask about the local weather. Elena says the sun is always hot here during the summer months. I am satisfied with the quality of the modern airport and the roads. We take a bus to the city center to see the old buildings. I am Tom, and my big adventure is finally beginning right now. Every detail of the bus ride is interesting and very colorful. I see palm trees and white houses through the large window. I feel very energetic and ready to see every beautiful place. Elena shows me the main square on her small paper map. I'm satisfied with the stable and comfortable start of my trip. Traveling to a new country is a high-quality dream for me. We reach the central station and step out into the sunlight. The atmosphere is loud, energetic, and very positive today. I am proud of myself for being so brave and proactive. We're moving to find some local street food. We are walking through a busy market with many colorful stalls. I see strange fruits and many types of bread and cheese. Elena stops near a small shop that sells traditional pastries. She buys a small, warm cake and gives it to me. You must try this. It is our favorite local snack, she says. I take a bite, and the taste is very sweet and spicy. Logic says that food is the best way to understand a country. I am satisfied with the quality of this delicious local treat. Elena tells me that people here love to cook for their guests. I'm a proactive eater, so I finish the pastry very quickly. My blue t-shirt is fine, but the sun is getting very warm. Everything in the market looks organized and very vibrant. I see people wearing traditional clothes and selling handmade rugs. I am Tom, and I am enjoying the sounds of the local market. Elena explains the names of the different vegetables in her language. I try to repeat the words, and she laughs at my accent. I am satisfied with the friendly and relaxed atmosphere here. We see a man playing a strange guitar near a fountain. The music is fast, rhythmic, and very happy for the soul. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from these new sounds. Every detail of the market is ultra real and very beautiful. We walk past a stall with spices that make me sneeze. Elena says that her country is famous for its spicy soup. I am satisfied with the stable and interesting flow of our walk. I believe that being a tourist is about trying new things. The people here are very polite and always ready to help. I am happy that I am not alone in this big, new city. We find a small bench to rest for a few minutes. I take a bottle of water and look at the blue sky. We are moving to the old town with narrow streets. We are entering the old part of the city with stone walls. The streets are very narrow, and cars cannot drive here. I feel like I am walking in a history book right now. My blue eyes are focused on the ancient wooden doors. Elena tells me that some of these houses are 500 years old. Logic tells me that these stones have many secret stories. I'm satisfied with the quality of the architecture around us. We get a little bit lost in the many small turning paths. I am a proactive explorer, so I look for the high clock tower. Elena opens her map and shows me where we are standing. Everything looks high quality, stable, and very mastery here. I see cats sleeping on the windows and flowers on the balconies. The ground is made of gray cobblestones that are very smooth. I am Tom, and I feel very small next to these old towers. Elena says that her grandfather was a builder in this town. I'm satisfied with the personal stories she shares with me. We find a hidden garden with a small, clear fountain. The water is cold, and the air is quiet and very peaceful. I feel very relaxed and happy in this beautiful old world. Every detail of the stone carvings is ultra real and detailed. We take some photos near a large gate with a golden lion. I am satisfied with the quality of my new travel memories. The atmosphere is full of mystery and very ancient energy. I believe that every country has a heart, and this is the heart. We hear the bells of the big cathedral ringing for the hour. It is a very loud and very beautiful sound in the quiet street. Elena says it is time to have a small coffee break. I am a proactive tourist, so I look for a cozy cafe. We see a small table with a red umbrella near the corner. We're moving to sit down and study the language. We are sitting at a small table in a quiet outdoor cafe. The waiter brings two small cups of very strong local coffee. It smells like dark chocolate and mountain herbs today. I'm satisfied with the quality and the taste of the drink. Elena takes my notebook and a pen from her terracotta shirt. She writes down some basic phrases for me to learn today. Hello, thank you, and where's the park are the first words. Logic says that knowing some words is very polite for a guest. I repeat the words slowly, and Elena helps me with my voice. I'm a proactive student because I want to talk to people. Everything looks organized and very friendly in this little cafe. My blue t-shirt is bright in the shade of the red umbrella. I am Tom, and I'm making a lot of progress with the language. Elena says that I am a very fast and very smart learner. We talk about the differences between our two cultures. She tells me that family is the most important thing here. I tell her about my house and my friends and my country. I'm satisfied with the stable and high quality talk we have. The coffee gives me a lot of energy for the rest of the day. Every detail of the cafe is peaceful and very high quality. I feel very comfortable and safe with my new friend Elena. She tells me that the best view of the country is in the mountains. I am satisfied with her suggestion for our next destination. I pay for the coffee and leave a small tip for the waiter. We stand up and feel the warm wind on our faces again. I believe that travel is the best school for any young man. My notebook is full of new words and interesting facts. I am proud of my proactive and curious character today. The sun is still high, and the mountains are waiting for us. We are moving to the viewpoint on the high hill. We are standing on the top of a high hill outside the city. In the distance, I see majestic mountains with blue peaks. The sky is perfectly clear, and the view is absolutely mastery. I'm satisfied with the quality of the air at this high place. Everything looks vast, ultra real, and very beautiful now. I take my camera and take many photos of the horizon. Elena tells me that people go there to hike and to ski in winter. Logic tells me that nature is the same in every country. I am Tom, and I feel very free and very lucky today. The wind is strong, and it moves my brown hair around. I see a small village with red roofs in the green valley. It looks like a painting from a high-quality 3D movie. I am satisfied with the stable and peaceful atmosphere of the hill. We sit on the grass and watch the shadows of the clouds. Elena says that the mountains protect the city from the wind. I'm a proactive photographer, so I look for the best light. The sun is starting to go down, and the light is golden. Every detail of the rocks and the trees is very clear. I feel a lot of positive and creative energy in my heart. We talk about the wildlife and the animals that live here. Elena saw a large eagle in these mountains last summer. A belief that we must protect such high-quality natural places. I'm satisfied with the quality of the silence on this hill. We spend 1 hour just looking at the beautiful world. I am happy that I came to this country with a backpack. Elena says it is time to return to the city for souvenirs. I want to buy something special for my mother and father. We walk down the hill slowly and talk about our day. My blue t-shirt is a bit dusty, but I am very happy. We are moving to the small gift shop near the station. We are inside a warm and cozy shop full of local crafts. I see handmade dolls, silk scarves, and painted ceramic plates. I am satisfied with the quality and the colors of the art here. I choose a small ceramic plate with a traditional pattern. Elena explains that the blue color means the sea and the sky. Logic says that a souvenir is a piece of a country you take home. I am a proactive shopper, so I also buy some local tea. Everything looks organized, high quality, and very traditional. My blue eyes are bright as I look at the beautiful objects. I am Tom, and I have many gifts in my bag right now. Elena tells me that she had a wonderful time showing me around. I thank her for her help, her stories, and her great map. I feel very successful after my first day in a new country. The evening light is soft, and the shop is very peaceful. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly connection we built. Every detail of the shop is full of culture and real love. We walk to the train station where I need to go to my hotel. I believe that travel makes the world a smaller and better place. I give Elena a small gift from my country as a thank you. She is very surprised and gives me a very warm goodbye hug. I watch her terracotta shirt as she walks away into the city. I am Tom, and I am sitting on the train with a happy heart. My story about visiting a new country ends with a smile. Every second of this trip was a high-quality adventure for me. I am a proactively thinking man who loves to see the world. I plan to write about my journey in my new travel blog. I am satisfied with the quality of my life and my discoveries. Tomorrow I will see the sea and the ancient stone harbor. Good night, new country, and thank you for the warm welcome. I am ready for the next chapter of my beautiful journey.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.